Do you like eggs? Well, after you watch this video, you will find them incredibly irresistible. Alright, so let's get started. We have 9 easy ingredients: soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, leek, bonito flakes, kombu, garlic, ginger. Let's turn the fire to high until the sauce boils. Then we can turn it down to a low-medium fire so it can simmer. I'd like to mention 2 key points here. Number 1, boiling our ingredients has a significant impact. It definitely brings out the stronger flavors. Second, adding the leek, bonito flakes, and kombu is the magic trick. The aroma is stunning. Your kitchen will be hit with sweet and savory fragrances instantly. Make sure you get all of the savory liquids out. Make sure to pierce the fat side of your egg. This ensures that it won't crack under pressure once it touches the hot water. Set your timers. Make sure you boil your eggs for exactly 7 minutes, not a minute more or a minute less. Now, while your eggs are boiling, make sure to prepare an ice bath. Once your eggs are done boiling, make sure to instantly submerge them into your ice bath. This makes sure that they stop cooking immediately. Let's run our eggs through some cold water, and I'll show you why. Once there is some water between the egg and the shell, it is much easier to peel off the shell, and much less hassle. Alright, here you have it, the amazing tare sauce, and what we're going to want to do is submerge the eggs gently into the sauce. After a few minutes, put the eggs into a jar and pour your sauce in. Try and make sure that the sauce is always touching every part of your eggs. Now, we recommend that you eat the eggs after at least 24 hours of marination and letting it sit in the fridge. But if you're really hard pressed for time, you can eat them after only 18 hours in the fridge. You can see that the inside yolk of the egg is nice and gooey, and that's exactly what we want. You can use these eggs on pretty much anything you want, whether it be salads, sandwiches, or other dishes. Personally, I like to use it with my ramen. As we all know, no ramen bowl is fully complete without the ultimate ramen egg.